Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Vevy Liansari. Here I would like to present my research entitled Speed Reading as a Means to Improve Elementary Students' Reading in Offline Learning Periods. And then here uh, I would like to give more explanation about the outline, my PowerPoint. First, here it's about the title, introduction, why I choose this title and what method I use, and then result and discussion. The last is about the conclusion, and then the references I use. Here, the title is about speed reading as a means to improve elementary students' reading in offline learning period. Here, I took the data in SD Zainuddin Ngeni Waru Sidoarjo of East Java, Indonesia. And then the abstract here, I would like to investigate the use of speed reading to improve elementary students' reading in offline learning periods because the lack of the student here uh, can affect the ability to read because in nowadays offline learning period here elementary students are required to be able to comprehend the text in a right way and quickly. One of the method here I use speed readings because here it's able to improve the student reading, especially in reading text. I use quantitative experimental by using research design of the one group pretest and post-test. And the sample was 20 students of third grade at SD Zainuddin Waru. Here for the data, I took the elementary school. And then data collecting use pretest and post-test. And then I analyze here by pretest and after post and also post-test. Thus, it can be concluded that from result pretest and post-test that speed reading as a means to improve elementary students' reading in offline learning periods. Why I took this data? Because nowadays in Sidoarjo especially we use offline learnings, yeah, because to push the quicker in understanding material that has not been mastered by reading. Meanwhile, the interesting in reading in student themselves is reduced because they are used to doing assignment with their parents, which is the end make them only know the answer without and comprehend about the text. Okay, and then the second, knowing the problem here, the writer used the speed reading method to overcome the problem found in the third grade. The method here, I use quantitative approach to the experimental method. And then the result and discussion here, it can be carried out cannot be separated from the problems that occur in the field, namely that there are still many students who experience difficulty in understanding readings. And then it showed that speed reading learning method can improve student reading comprehension in non-fiction story materials. From the result from pretest and post-test, you can see that about the percentage. So I can conclude that based on the student experience can increase after the treatment. So the conclusion here, based on the result, I analyzed that in using the speed reading method for pretest, first it show very low. After that, after the treatment, there are the improvement. So because there are the improvement of the student after the treatment, the use of speed reading, it can be concluded that speed reading as a means to improve elementary student reading, especially in offline learning periods. Yeah, you can see here the reference I use. There are 11 references that I use to analyze the data. So thank you. And so sorry if I have a mistake when I explain about the PowerPoint. Let me finish. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.